Breaking news, Justin, as per the Mighty Fire FM. Mighty Fire is reporting that the police have blocked the tentative election from the Kwaro Acholi. This is what they say. Police in the Swa East region blocks the election of the Kwaro Acholi executive, which was scheduled for Friday, the 14th June 2024, at Acholi Lodge in Kitgum municipality. That is the first post, the first body of the post by Mighty Fire. They also continue to say that in a press release delivered on Thursday, the 13th June 2024, Aswa East Regional Police Commander ACP Anatoly Katunjwesi stated that after several engagements with the two concerned parties and stakeholders and extensive consultations with the district security committee members, the organizers, headed by Rwanda PRS Richard Santos, who had submitted a notification letter on 6 June 2024, are advised to broaden their consultations. So the police are advising also of a PR team to broaden their consultations as per report coming in. He says they should seek further guidance from the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development, security agencies and laws governing cultural and traditional institutions in Uganda. So the police are also saying that the ACP are saying that this group of people also need to seek further guidance from this respective body, that is cultural institution, Ministry of Gender, among others. That is what they're saying. The development also continues to give information that the police added that no security clearance or guarantee will be provided for the meeting to take place, and also informs that the public are advised to avoid participating in this assembly, and the hotel management has been informed not to host the meeting. Wow, this is serious. That is still fresh breaking news that has just come in. The police have blocked the meeting that would see election for Kwaro Acholi, and are stopping the public or the management from accepting this event to take place. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, as we will be bringing you latest updates on this matter. Thank you.